Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different type of the hairstyles that you can create at your own places without visiting any expensive salons. You can just save you a lot of money and lot of time by just trying all these hairstyles at your own places. You don't require that much of the investment in such type of the hairstyles. All you require is just the basic hair accessories that we everyone have at the home, like the classical rubber bands, the casual rubber bands, the tip tap pins, the Juda pins, or we can say the bun pins, the bun type of the rubber bands, some of the comb and whatnot. All these accessories are usually available. If you want to create the casual type of the look, then you don't need to buy anything fancy, but you can just make use of the fancy type of the bowie pins, the rubber bands, and the fancy type of the bun pins in order to decorate your hair gear. If you want to go to some party, then you can create such type of the hairstyles. Let's talk about the different type of the hairstyles. These we have kept from the blend of the classical braids that we usually make and the normal type of the internal twisty turns and the bunny type of the looks. All these hairstyles are very simple. These are very less time consuming. Some might be quite difficult, but some are very simple also. You just have to watch the video till the end. You can just pause it if you get confused at any particular step. Make sure that you don't skip any particular step while you are going to perform these type of the activities at your home, because if you skip any one of the step, then the whole hairstyle will be ruined, because all these steps are interlinked with each other and you just have to follow it in the sequential manner. Thank you for watching our videos.